This video is brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform that makes it fast and easy to create your own professional website, portfolio, and online store. For a free trial and 10% off, visit squarespace.com and enter the code BWOne at checkout. A better web starts with your website. BWOne here from BWOne, and in this video I want to show you something really exciting that I've been working on with a few other fellow tech bloggers and tech enthusiasts. It's sort of a website that gives you a collection of tech reviews and tech perspective and all different perspectives sort of all in one site, and we're sort of beginning to work on it now, and I want to show you a little bit of the beta of it, and it's called Tech Faction, or thetechfaction.com, and we're basically building a website using the power of Squarespace, which is really cool. It's really a great way to make something very simple, because we wanted to make something really simple. We wanted to make it very quickly as well too, to kind of get it up there, but then come around later and be able to customize things around. So this one I want to show you right here. So let's first look at Tech Faction, and I want to show you what Squarespace, so at the back end of it here. So right over here, this is the Tech Faction. You can see here, we have a collection of different bloggers, websites, and stuff right here. There's going to be some more people added as well too as we go along, but I just want to make something really quick and really simple to kind of get it up there and have the ability to customize a little bit later and really having ease with doing that. You can see we have BWOne.com. That's our main website. We have a image of our website. You can see our links. You can see a synopsis about us. Same thing with the folks over at Board at Work. They're real cool. Tech, entertainment, really good website. We do a lot of hangouts with Thundery from over there. We also have Tech Guy Smart Buy. You want to check that out as well too. They have some really cool perspective on technology as well, giving you good deals as well on different sales and different things that are happening in the world of tech. And we have their links, social links available down. We have it at each one of the pages actually. Then we have some cool bloggers here. We have Some Gadget Guy. They gave you the famous potato unboxing, first impression, full review and comparison versus the LG G2. And I'm telling you that potato definitely competes very well with it. You can check him out as well. And we have links below there too. And we have a couple of lovely ladies as well. We have Glasses and Glitter from Miss Tori Dorsey here. She gives you a perspective of sort of tech and fashion, where tech is fashionable as well at the same time. And she's a very big Scandal fan as well too. And she talks about some of the gadgets that some of the actresses that would use on Scandal. Sorry, I don't watch Scandal, so I'm not exactly sure who the main actress is, but she talks about some of the technology that she may use there. So definitely check that out. Also check out the lovely Annalie Cruz, also known as Yummy Anna as well too. She's a digital lifestyle enthusiast. She has some great perspectives on tech. She's always on Twitter. She's very big on Google Plus and on Instagram. So definitely check out her pages and her social network as well. And we're gonna add, like I said, we're gonna add some more people here too. But what's really cool is you can see how pretty much maybe advanced really this website is, and I really was able to set this up. It only took, as my Google Cast crashed, I said we'll go ahead and X that out. But it really only took me maybe an hour or so to really set this all up very easily, and that's really through the power of Squarespace, and I want to show you how all that works. So when you have a Squarespace site and you want to edit and do things, all you need to do is hit escape on your keyboard, and you're gonna have to log in here, which I'm gonna do. All right, we've logged into the Squarespace, our Squarespace website, and we logged into the back end, the admin panel, where we get things done here and make the site look really cool. This is basically where you basically design and make the page. You make your blog pages and all your entries and stuff pretty much within here. But before I show you that, I want to show you basically what you first see when you set up Squarespace, and that is over here in not in domains, but in the templates section right here, where you can install a template. So when you first sign up for Squarespace, the first thing it's going to ask you is select a template, and there's a lot of great templates to choose from, a lot of high quality premium templates to choose from. And when you click on one of them, we'll choose this one here because the art looks all nice there, the Momentum template. It gives you a mobile view and a live preview that you can check out to see how it's going to look. You can also see custom websites using that as well too, so you can see an example of what you can use, what you can do with that template to really make it your own. And you can see some really cool designs right here, really nice. And you just hit install and install itself, but we've already installed Avenue here, and that's what we're going to use sort of as our base here. So let's go ahead and jump back here into navigation. And this is where we basically design the website here. So how did I design those pages simply? So I just basically added a new gallery page to the home section here. Let's look at BWOne. I needed to do a few things to configure it. So the first thing I wanted to do was configure that thumbnail icon. And all I have to do is go into settings here. And this is where you can change your navigation title, your page title. And this is where I can add the thumb right here, as you can see right below. Really simple, easy to use. You add it, and it's going to actually sort of, when you upload it, it's going to process it, and it's going to make it sort of configure and work well within it without you having to do too much in terms of photoshopping and editing and stuff like that. You can still have to put up a pretty decent image, but it's gonna really put it in the right position for you, so you don't have to do too much editing from there. And this is the description here you can add to that. But as you can see here, I'm showing you, and it looks like it's very simple. I know some of you power users out there, especially WordPress users like I am myself, you're looking at this like, oh, this is nice, but it's like all sort of handheld and sort of done for you there. It's almost a little too simple. Nah, you can still inject some code right in here, so you can add some code to it if you want to do some more advanced things. You're going to see that throughout the Squarespace navigation here in the administration panel, so you'll be able to do and add those things here to really customize it and sort of make it your own. So you do have the power user capabilities here within Squarespace, and you're going to find out from talking to power users as I go through here. Squarespace is really good for making those simple, nice, quick websites that are really sophisticated. And when you need to make some advanced adjustments to it, you can really add to it. Like I said, you can inject some code and do a few other things with it. And I basically, going back here to how I designed the page, you can see how I designed the icon. Then this is the page here. I uploaded a picture. Really easy to add pictures. All you have to do is see these little lines here, hit that plus. You can see you can make it basic as text, markdown, quote, image, gallery, video, audio, embed. You have products, Amazon, donations. You can create a form, newsletter. I think you kind of get the idea here. You have a bunch of different sort of edits that you can add within here. A tag cloud. You can add some social networking in here. You just click on it and you work through the navigation wizard that they kind of give you of it and kind of set it up that way. It's really cool. And you can actually edit the photos as well within here too. See, I just easily right click that and I can change the file name, I can stretch it, add a light box, and add a caption to the bottom of it, have an outbound link to it when you click on it. Added my links down here below. You can see a little nice little WYSIWYG editor right here to add quotes. You can add bullets and all those sort of things. Formatting, really simple. Just type right in within there. It's pretty much a WYSIWYG editor for the most part, really right through your browser. You don't really need to do too much, and it has all the configurations right there. So that's something that's really nice that I would say is a little bit over WordPress, where it's still a little bit more sort of codey in a sense, but it's simple in WordPress, but a little codey here. Here, you really kind of get a nice sort of WYSIWYG, kind of almost a drag and drop, easy click interface to really make the page as simple. And what you see here is pretty much what the page is going to look like. And I was able to do that on my page, Bored at Work, Tech Guy Smart Buy, Some Gadget Guy, Glasses and Glitter, and Yummy Anna's website as well too, Anna Lee Cruz there. And I can add a gallery page simply clicking on that. And it lets you know you can add a page, gallery, can add a blog post if you want to, an event, product. Simply click on it and it's going to make you go through the navigation of each one if you want to add a new product. You can either delete it there and delete it off. There. You can add pages here that are not linked or not available yet on the are not available yet here within the navigation. You can put some down here as well too. So that's simply really how I set this up, and I did this within about an hour or so. And let's take a look at some of the other power that you have. You do have statistics that you can check out here, and it gives you traffic, mobile users, subscribers, referrals, popular content, searches and queries, detailed activity, hour, daily, weekly, kind of gives you there. But you do have the ability to add your own add stuff like, let me see here, and I know I saw it a little bit earlier, you connect your own social networking accounts with it. You can actually add your Google Analytics, as I was looking for, Amazon associates tags, site-wide password, 404 errors. You can customize what the page not found, what you want to do with those, homepage title format, and all sorts of great things there. You can edit your time and geography based upon where you are. This is where you can import and export. This is where you can add code injections to the header, footer, lock page, other pages that you want to add specific things. You can change your URL mapping. You have a developer mode. You can get really deep into it. as well, and dollar back is limited to unlimited business plans only. I want to make that certain as well too. We're on a business account that we're using this website for, and that's where you can get developer mode activated. You can add contributors as well too. This is where you can add essentially more authors and more people to it to be able to log in and create content for the site. Down here below, we see the little money sign is your e-commerce. So this is where you can add products and orders and inventory, all sorts of stuff to be able to sell right from your Squarespace site as well too, if you're a commerce site and you want to be able to sell. And if you're not sure how to do something, Squarespace has a great help section, as you can see here, and it does a lot of they have a lot of great things here that are really good knowledge base to be able to tell you where and how to do things. You can open a live chat and tickets to really get good help from these guys here. And I haven't really even need their help that much because I've been able to really go through the help section to be able to find what I need. So I definitely recommend using that. Actually, another thing I want to show you here, let's go into the preview here, go back here. Now here at the bottom, you can see here I can have, you have an edit where you can edit content. You have this little brush here. Now this brush here, while you're on the page, you're in style mode. This mode actually allows you to change a few things like the site title, site title color. So if I wanted to change that to a different color, I want to change it to, you know, a reddish or something, or a different code. It does support adding the RGB codes or the hash codes within there. I want to change my canvas background to something completely different as well too. If I want to change that, site background, I want to change that up. You know, maybe I want it to be, you know, purple like that. For whatever reason, it's not the greatest look there, but you kind of get the idea. You can kind of change it to whatever color you want to. You can change the text color as well. So I want to change it to more of red or blue or yellow, wherever I want to change it. You can change the I think you can change the link colors, the typography you can change here, sizes and values if you want to change size width. You see there, I can shrink it down or I can make it as big as I want to. Pretty cool. Nice and easy, and you see it's all live and does it all right there. You can add your custom CSS as well too, and if all, you can hide thumbnail tiles, and if all else titles, and if all else fails, you can reset the default and it brings you back here, or someone brings you back there. But we don't have to save anything. We just say cancel and discard all that stuff that we just did, and it should bring everything back to reset here. Actually, let me change that back a little bit, or I'll edit that in just a little bit there. But you guys kind of get the idea here. Discard, and yep, let's discard that again. But you kind of get the idea as it brings it back. There we go, brings it back there. You have the ability to really customize your Squarespace very simply and very, very easy, and it gives you a lot of great powerful tools while being able to give you some of the ease of use that you'll be looking for if you're not somebody that's a really hard code coder. So definitely give Squarespace a try. We have a link below where you can get a trial for it. Definitely click on that link. That helps us out. That'll help you out get a really cool trial of Squarespace. And definitely check out Tech Faction as well too. We're going to be designing this page up a lot more than this, what you see here, but this just shows you how much we can do just in an hour or so working and how cool it really looks right now. But we're going to up the ante with this as well too. So be sure, like I said, if you want to try out Squarespace, the link is below where you can get a free trial for it. Also subscribe to our YouTube page, follow us on Twitter, become a fan of our Facebook fan page. Be sure to check out all of the websites here on Tech Faction. We're going to be adding more to them as well too. And always remember to live your tech world in high definition. Thanks for watching.